juncture. But with that, we've come to the end of this query segment. Jay, what would you be recommending for viewers this morning in terms of stock recommendations?
So I would be bullish on three of the major stocks, particularly ONGC. We see a second leg of rally, particularly in this stock. The good basin found, the oil found, it's very interesting, particularly in that region. So I would suggest to buy ONGC at current levels. The target would be kept at around 235 zones, and the stop loss can be kept at 218 zones. The stock is continuously moving in higher high low zones. Super 10 line, the support is very good, so there is no problem coming in this stock. The second would be ICICI Bank, as we suggested in today's query. So ICICI Bank, I am very bullish about this stock, particularly on banking sector. Today we can see a good up move in banking as well as Nifty index. So definitely ICICI Bank would be something I would prefer buying. 1040, that is the first resistance for this stock, so that would be a target for this stock. 1040, 977 would be a stop loss, which is around which is placed at around previous support of 50-day exponential moving average. So the second stock would be ICICI Bank, and the third stock would be on HCL Tech. With good result coming in IT rally, I believe IT rally can continue further. The stock has crossed above the previous resistance 1516 zones, and the stock is currently trading at 1540 zones. I believe the stock can move upwards towards 1600 zones. The target would be kept at around 1620, and the stop loss can be kept at around 1490 levels. So I believe these three stocks can be a good pick for today's trade, and we can see a major up move in this stock.
All right, three recommendations coming in from Jay. With that, Jay, thanks a lot for taking out time and joining in and addressing all our viewer queries as well. With that, we're completely timed out on this edition of Morning Trade. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Of course, we will be watching out for that magical 22,000 figure when we kickstart trade at 9:15 a.m. Let's see whether or not it turns out to be a magical Monday for the markets or not. But with that, I'm out of the studio, but you guys stay tuned because coming up next is Opening Bell.